Alright, hi. Something you don't get to see or hear often. This is actually me recording the cleaning of a video card. This is something I should never see. Bad lighting caused by me getting in the frickin' way. And scorch marks on a heatsink. I don't understand. Also, focus. One would think I could learn to focus, but I was never that good at it. Well, this is the, hang on, let's see, nope, can't do it. Okay, this is the GPU, the chip, and on the surrounding, there's thermal paste. Now this is going to be fun because I'm holding a phone in one hand and I'm going to try cleaning with the other. The fact that they have thermal paste on capacitors is scary. So, we take a cotton swab and isopropyl, which you can already see this is wet. I did that off camera. Let's get this clean. Clean. This is a whole other level of disturbing. I don't like, so it goes. Something I should point out, as I have just realized it myself, some paper towel to sort of clean this off on and get rid of this would have been a good idea. Hindsight. Better than 2020? I don't have 2020 to begin with. Oh, this is coming off nicely. Get rid of bad cracked thermal paste. It go by. This may take several. This is more what I would call disgusting. I like my jokes. Get out of here. Aha, I got you. Oop, dropped you. For those of you who have never listened to me, well, actually that's most of you, while I'm trying to fix, clean, maintain a computer, this is actually my normal. I talk to myself, I curse. I'm going to try to avoid doing that latter one. Okay, now we try to dry this off. I'll occasionally switch accents. I will divert in what I'm thinking 400 or 500 times. Whether I know what I'm doing, well, I know the main part. Okay, and also give a little scrub to some RAM chips, which is looking pretty dingy. This was in the stepson's fiance's computer. This is the one that I've already made a post on Facebook about. Okay, let's try drying the sucker off. Ooh, did I just take the print off? Oops. No, no, you're coming back. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. I don't know if I'm posting this or not. It was the idea. This idea is just too goofy for me. And yes, I'm aware of that statement is more than ironic. I'm not sure if that's a spec or if that's actually a mark on the frickin' chip. Alright. As I'm trying to see all this myself. Wow, that's shiny. I'm actually looking at through the chip. Oh, okay. I see. Good enough. Okay, from there, see, nice and clean, shiny. It'll be getting some new thermal paste soon. Hopefully that'll fix problem. Next, this nasty little bugger. No, not the minion. Oh, wow. Thermal paste should never quite come off in clumps like that. If it does, it means it's dry. And anybody who understands the word paste knows paste should not be dry. I can't believe this is probably the only time I've made a freaking video on this phone. If you notice, I'm trying to avoid catching this with my fingers. Okay, let's try to unscuff this. Because most thermal paste is nasty stuff. Even the silver-based stuff, I'm not entirely sure, but back in time it was a beryllium paste, which is somewhat carcinogenic. Bad. Good for thermal transfer though, which is kind of the idea. Alright, the only way I'm getting rid of you is actually pick it up and move it. Here we go. There we are. For those of you back in Nova Scotia, I'm about to use a phrase that you'll understand. For those of you who are American and have only known me in like the past 6 years. Oh, by the way, I've been in the US for 6 years now. Woohoo! I'm about to say it is now the best of kind. That's about as clean as I'm getting it. If I were to try lapping it, that might do better, but as I'm going to try and keep this under 10 minutes, I'm not boring you with the next step, which is putting on new thermal paste. I'm actually going to try thermal pads so that those top two RAM chips, oh, shadow, are going to make actual contact instead of just scorching it. So, wish me luck. Hopefully it works.